Hello, friends. So today we're going to be doing dealership detail number 198. Now, it would have been a lot more. I am actually way over 200. But I had so many videos here a couple months ago that I just knew I couldn't get them all edited. And I knew that I wasn't going to be able to get caught up. So I just didn't have time. And so I went ahead and deleted probably, I'm going to say 5 or 6 videos, but for the sake of being honest, I wish I hadn't. Today's detail is a 2007 Ford Edge. It's in pretty good condition. Whoever owned it took good care of it. It's obviously got some blemishes. It is a 2007. So, if you are not expecting there to be problems, you're not thinking right. Okay? Just want to say that. Anyway, let's take a look at the car and we'll get started. It is Saturday, September 28th. Can you believe we are almost 10 months into 2024? Man, this year needs to slow down. Goodness. Come here. Get over here. You got to see this. This tells me that this actually probably went through a detailer at a car lot. That's what that tells me. It's literally, there's nothing dirty on this vehicle. So I'm going to leave it, but I wanted to make sure we had video of it. So as you see, it's actually in pretty decent shape. This is why I say we'll probably be working on the carpets more than anything. I mean, this vehicle is... Now there's lots and lots of traffic today. I hope this microphone is cutting out a lot of that noise. I hope. This looks really, really good. This is not going to take much, and I'm definitely going to go back to my focus my energy kind of thing. Now, I'm not sure what we got going on here. They've got the cover and the spare tire on a bag. I don't know why. I need to pull it out and look underneath and see what's going on. But we've also got a few floor mats there underneath it. So, but I really want to get this blown out. I want to pull this cover and blow it out too. So, who knows? I mean, even over here, look at this carpet. This carpet in the back is like it's never been touched. For a 2007, that is remarkable. Even the door jambs look really good, guys. Look at that. That carpet's got a little bit of issues. You can tell some feet have been there, but, or may have been, yeah, this has got some kind of protection on it. You can see it plain as day, or dressing maybe. Ew, it's sticky. That is sticky. That is sticky. This is not. That is. I don't know. Let me recheck. Let me do a recheck because I don't know. Look, center console is looking really good. I mean, we've got enough dust to maybe blow off, but really, this won't take much. The carpet's going to be a bigger thing. Then the last thing I'll do is rinse and wash, but I also want to do something with these headlights. I don't know what they were trying to do with this. This sounds to me like an off situation, meaning they used off, literally. Can you see my smudges here? Can you see the smudges I've left here? I am leaving smudges in that, like it's oily, greasy or something. That looks to me like they were using off, because that's only temporary. So I'm going to get the drill polisher out and we're going to clean that up, because dealership detailers don't do that crap. Absolutely not. That is unethical. Don't do it. I am leaving a smudge in there. Gross. A drill polisher would have handled that. Oh, you dealership detailers annoy me. Man, that is the quickest way to get on my bad side. A dealership detailer should not pull that kind of crap. Just get a little polish. And you know what? It doesn't even have to be difficult. Get you some polish, put it on a mic carpet towel, clean them headlights up. It doesn't even have to be that hard. Just saying. Let's take a closer look at these, the exterior of the car. These look really good. I love those wheels. They just pop. I love them. So now that I have found that there is unethical practices, that kind of changes my direction a little bit, because, like, for example, the dressing that's here. Okay, I want to make sure that they didn't use that dressing to cover up nastiness. All of this shiny stuff on the car, it's like it was never leveled out. But I'm finding, and it is a little bit sticky, but I am finding that if I use a little bit of rinseless, it levels it out and cleans it up. Alrighty, friends, so this 2007 Ford Edge is done. Watch for my next video. I'm going to take on this in another video because I feel like it is too important to pass up. All right, it is looking good. Now, this steering wheel was not cleaned. If they're going to go to the trouble to do what they did, the least they could have done was clean the steering wheel. All of this dressing that they had all over this vehicle, all I had to do was with a damp towel, because I had rinseless on it, just kind of level it out, and it looks much better. It's not so blotchy. I will not lie, I'm a little aggravated at this detail. You can tell when my attitude changed. I thought, oh, this is going to be an easy detail, and while it was, and dealership detailers, you need to be careful, because we know the dealerships these things come from. And I got just about big enough mouth, I might call them bawl you out about it. That's not a threat, that's a promise. I am not about screwing people over. I am trying my best to do decent details and save as much time as possible. I'm taking shortcuts, yes. But these are shortcuts that are not, I'm going to paint over the carpet. I'm not going to paint over a dirty cup holder. No. I'm cleaning the cup holders, and I'm going to do a dry extraction, and I probably won't put a lot of work into stained up carpet. So yes, I'm a little frustrated. And you'll probably hear that when I do the video on the headlights. Alrighty, friends, so the vehicle is done. I'm going to do a video on the headlights next because I think that's an important subject that we do need to talk about. And what I mean is unethical practices of dealership detailers. So I do want to kind of cover that a little bit and make sure we're dealing with that. But other than that, this car is ready to go back to the car lot. So thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate you. Smash that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And until the next video, we'll see you later.